In this video, I'm going to show you how to use leverage on Kraken Pro. To use leverage on Kraken Pro, you need to enable margin trading on the order form and select margin enabled market. So from the spot and margin pairs right here, select the kind of leverage. Kraken offers up to 5x leverage on over 100 margin enabled markets. Okay, so let's say, for example, I'm gonna choose Bitcoin USD, right? Before I start trading, buying or selling the coin, I'm gonna just go ahead next to the limit, and you're gonna see spot, press it, and you're gonna see pop-up window. Just hit margin, and now you're gonna be able to trade with 5x leverage, also using margin trades. Okay, that's how you know that margin trade is enabled on the first order. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to fill out the order form, meaning the amount of Bitcoin, USD, TP, SL, and all that stuff, just for precaution. See you in the next one.